Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents baking soda to help eliminate spots, wrinkles and dark circles in a simple way. We all purchase various kinds and brands of facial products to improve the appearance of our skin, prevent premature aging and eliminate wrinkles, dark spots, acne and blackheads. Yet most of them are just too expensive and lose their effectiveness in a very short time. Some women undergo different surgical methods to look young and beautiful. Fortunately, there are numerous all-natural and highly effective natural ways to improve the skin on the face and prevent skin issues. Baking soda is a powerful antioxidant, antibiotic, and an anti-inflammatory agent, so it eliminates bacteria, restores the balance of the skin, and detoxifies it. However, dermatologist explains, baking soda has a multitude of beauty uses, and one of our favorite uses for baking soda is for dark spots, acne scars, and age spots. Because baking soda is a natural bleaching agent, it works flawlessly to reduce the appearance of spots and scars without harming the skin. Keep watching to know how to use baking soda for dark spots and acne scars and say goodbye to annoying skin problems forever. There are two different ways you can use baking soda for dark spots and acne scars. Number 1, baking soda plus lemon. Number 2, baking soda plus apple cider vinegar. The first method is made more so for those with oily and acne-prone skin, while the second method is for those with dry and sensitive skin. Like with anything that you apply to your skin, please do a patch test first to make sure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. Method number 1, baking soda plus lemon. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough freshly squeezed lemon juice to make a smooth paste. With clean fingers, apply to affected areas wherever there are dark spot, acne scars, or age spots. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse off with cold water. Pat dry and repeat every day until you start seeing the scars and spots disappear. This should happen within the first week. Method number 2, baking soda plus ACV. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough apple cider vinegar to make a smooth paste. Apply to affected areas using clean fingers. Leave on for 5 minutes and rinse off with cold water. Pat dry and repeat every day until you start seeing the scars and spots disappear. This should happen within the first week. Repeat this every day and you will be fascinated by the results. Try out these remedies at home and share your experience in the comments section below to help others learn that which remedy had worked for you the best. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.